Alright, can you put yours in? Oh! Okay.
I don't know. Go. Chew it.
Ryan, do you have the whole thing in your mouth? Oh my god.
Super nervous.
Melissa, don't be a baby. Come on. Now, who can go?
He's good.
Who can go the longest without taking something?
Didn't get it all.
Is this really hot?
Don't touch them. Come on, you can do it. Come on.
Nathaniel's walking away.
Look at Ryan.
Nathaniel's at the sink.
I'm making up a little. Nick is unhappy. Nick's just unhappy.
He's like, why did I do this?
Melissa, how you doing, babe?
Melissa's going through labor.
Don't suck it in.
Take a deep breath and a hold. Look at
Yeah.
Nathaniel is rinsing his mouth in the sink.
Nathaniel, you're being a big baby.
Alyssa, you are handling it like a champ. Still, though.
Dude, Alyssa's doing that.
I know.
Yeah, still.
But still, it burns your mouth. She's saying, Mommy, Dad, are you okay? Here, will you hold this for me?
Is he on the struggle bus? What's going on?
Yeah, ice cream's nice. It works. The amount of joy in that space right now. I know, yes. Really was doing.
You okay? You're fine.
The water's going off the
Put it down.
There's no ice cream.
You're okay. You want to go play on that thing?
You just shove that in your mouth.
Thanks for bringing it.
Rip it out, dude. No shame. Rip it out.
It's okay. Nick.
Nick is just controlling himself over there.
Hey, Nick. Nick, is it worse than the ghost pepper?
Did you swallow it?
It's pretty bad. Eliana's looking for chips.
You want some chips?
Give me no.
Ryan, you didn't have any sinus issues before, did you? Clearing your mouth? I still have it stuck in my teeth.
Dude, look what I got. Look what I got your cousin, bro.
Oh my shit.
Yeah, I heard him say, oh my God.
I'm really impressed. You are doing way better than this Serrano. Way better.
Oh, yeah.
I'm amazed.
I just want to show with that.
Yeah, you gotta. Right now you haven't earned nothing, Melissa. I'm sorry.
Oh! I think I did the whole thing. Why?
Don't ruin a good thing.
Sorry, babe.
That's what I did at Ramsey's that one night.
How many of these has Nick ate?
Nick
This
hasn't
is
even
his
touched
first
a glass
one.
of water yet.
Yeah, that was his goal.
Oh, was there one else taking it?
Daniel. Nick hasn't even touched a glass of water yet.
Big difference. He's looking at him.
Yeah.
What's wrong?
I'm gonna come and.
He's my hero.
Hey, on a scale of 1 to 10.
It's a 10.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
The ice cream does help. I don't know, your mouth still feels the burn of it, so.
Look at my hero.
But it stops right here.
I will say I had a piece of a ghost pepper and then spit it out, and you're doing way better than I did from doing that. And this is like the world's hottest. Really? Ryan's having some ice cream. Is it okay? You doing all right? Okay. Okay, babe. Come here. I'm still filming.
Nick, you're my freaking hero, dude.
It's gonna make it worse. Because right now it's just sitting in my throat. If I drink something, it's gonna go down.
Oh yeah. You're doing great though. I would have died by now.
Nick, I can't believe you're not doing this.
I know. I'm impressed, Nick.
How long is you going? It's been 5.5 minutes. That's not how much.
Oh, next time. Did you hear that? Next time.
I'll take a bite. I'll take a slow.
Super impressed with Nick.
Nathaniel, how you doing?
Hang on, babe.
Nick looks like he's like punishing himself.
Well, you haven't had anything to drink. I know. He's trying to like. This is like an extreme pepper eater's goal: is eat the hottest pepper in the world and don't drink anything.
I think it is. Is this the hottest?
Does
Yeah.
it burn coming out?
The Guinness Book hottest one.
What?
I don't know. Yeah.
I was gonna say, how does it feel coming out?
I've never done anything like that.
I'm so far into this, I feel like I gotta write it out.
Nick, freaking beast,
I know.
dude.
I'm impressed.
You haven't had anything?
Are you serious?
Nick hasn't had anything. I'm a
Yo,
little
it's
worried now.
still like with the way you get that Serrano versus this, I'm freaking out. Your hands are like this.
He's gonna in the middle of the night be like, Joey, I need you.
Yeah, I was worried about Alyssa because the Serrano that she did a while back, she like panicked and whatever. She's doing better.
Want something?
I might be on the way down.
Are you serious?
I might be able to do this.
Oh my goodness.
And I just had like a little sip. That wasn't mine, right? I had like just enough to like, because it was good. It was that middle thing again where my body just didn't want to swallow it. And so I had like just enough to where I could swallow it. But I left the rest.
I'm so proud.
I left the rest of it. I just don't want to do this again. So I feel like I have to write it out so that I don't have to prove anything else.
Yeah, that's a good, yeah. Good goal, bro.
My saliva
I
is
think I'm on the way down.
slowly carrying.
Hey, can I come give you a kiss? Will it be a spicy kiss?
You will regret it.
He's getting a tongue.
Dude, I think I can do this.
Yeah,
I think I'm on the way down.
This has to be like.
You have video evidence, right?
Yeah. He took a sip. I just washed it down. That was it.
And since there's video evidence, I got to check the rules, but I think this qualifies for legal evidence.
Hey.
I have to check the rules if it allows you to have a little bit of water, which I think it does. But or legal evidence, legal fire, I mean.
Here's his water cup.
My
Yeah.
brain's not
That was all
working.
equal. So.
Legal fire is like an online thing where you can gain points for like competing in.
There's like 3 guys in there.
Oh, I didn't think I could do it. I don't want to do it again. It hurts a pretty good amount right now. I think I'm finally like happy with it. Like I'm on the way down on this.
Yeah.
I'm not, it's not over here yet.
This. You got
I can go back there. It's gonna come roll.
I don't know if water disqualifies you or not. Enough to chase it down. I'm not sure.
I don't know.
I'm so don't want to drink anything right now. Because I'm gonna figure that out.
I'm at least on the way down. I think I'm gonna make it.
Yay.
As long as I throw up, I think I'm good.
Do you have to go 10 minutes?
As long as I throw up. My original goal is just to make it to 10, and I'll definitely make it to 10.
Woo. High five. It's almost there.